Good morning, dear students. Welcome to another session of maintenance of digital switching systems. So in the previous session, we went through the introductory part, which was related to digital switching system maintenance. So in which we looked after what is meant by maintenance and what are the prior step required to maintenance. That is the installation. Then we came across what all things are dealt with the maintenance aspects. So that is what we had gone through. Now let us go further and see what are the software maintenance aspects. Now next look further what is actually a software maintenance. Now as we spoke in previous slide that maintenance is relevant to maintaining the software and the hardware in together. Now in that we came across that we can have hardware upgrade, then we can have software upgrade or software patches or bug fixes, anything which is available. So when we come down to software update or software maintenance, now the maintenance which is related to say for the software upgrades or software patches or bug fixes or say routine diagnosis which is running using the software to identify any faults, so the etc. So these all things can be classified as software maintenance. So that is it is in simple terms, that is these are the tasks which are related to bug fixes, software updates, routine diagnostics and other aspects. Now if we just observe, generally majority of the industries put forth about 80% of their efforts in maintaining the software. Now from digital switching point of view, we can have two categories of maintainability. Now one is supplier initiated software maintenance. So the name itself tells that the software maintenance has to be provided by the supplier of the software. So this is supplier initiated software maintenance. So what all things come under the software initiated supplier initiated software maintenance. So in these things we have the software updates, patches and the bug fixes. So these are the aspects which the supplier has to provide. Then apart from the supplier himself, the owners also have to look out for the maintenance of the software which is related to the digital switching systems. Now what are the things which are relevant to the owners for the maintenance? So in this case it is a routine maintenance which has to be looked after so that the digital switch is operational which is present at the site. Then apart from this we have to run some routine diagnostics which can be done by the owners, and then updation of the translation tables. So these translation tables are related to the translation data and it is dependent on who is owning those software and the hardware devices related to digital switching system. So in previous sessions we had spoken what is meant by translation data. For example, if I want to make an international call, then my call has to be translated to the international say facilities. So that is what translation data will be relevant to. So this is just an example what we took. So updating the translation tables. So these are the things which the owner has to look after, and these are the things which the supplier of the software has to look after. So in this we spoke previously what is meant by software updates. So software updates are nothing but say you want to add some new feature to already available software, so that can be provided as a release in the next phase. Then patches and the bug fixes, so this has to be done in the relevant release itself, that is the present release which is present in the software, which is present with respect to the software. So these are the software maintenance aspects which are related to digital switching system. So now let us stop here and continue with the session in the next part. Thank you.